finally happened. The long battle between Ripple and the SEC is over, and the entire crypto market is feeling the impact. But here's the real shock. XRP didn't just rise in price, it skyrocketed overnight to an unbelievable $9,987. This isn't just another pump or a temporary surge. This could be the biggest turning point in XRP's history. After years of uncertainty, legal battles and price suppression, XRP holders are now witnessing a massive shift. But what exactly caused this explosive jump? Was it a result of the lawsuit ending, or is there something bigger happening behind the scenes? And more importantly, is this just the beginning of an even bigger rally? Today, we're breaking down how the lawsuit was settled, what led to this sudden price explosion, and what's next for XRP in the world of crypto and finance. Stay tuned, because this changes everything. For years, the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC has been a dark cloud hanging over XRP. It all started in December 2020, when the SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security. This single lawsuit caused chaos in the crypto market, leading to XRP being delisted from major exchanges, investors pulling out, and a massive drop in price. Ripple fought back, arguing that XRP was a digital asset just like Bitcoin and Ethereum and should not be classified as a security. The case dragged on for years, filled with legal twists, delays, and uncertainty that kept investors on edge. But now it's finally over. The final ruling has officially settled the debate, confirming that XRP is not a security and Ripple can continue its operations without restrictions. This is a massive win, not just for Ripple, but for the entire crypto industry. The lawsuit's outcome sets a legal precedent, proving that the SEC cannot arbitrarily target cryptocurrencies without clear regulations. Investors who once feared XRP's future are now rushing back in, and institutions that were hesitant to adopt it may now start integrating it into their financial systems. This ruling didn't just clear XRP's name, it opened the floodgates for what could be its biggest price surge yet. But what exactly triggered the overnight jump to $9,987? Let's break down the factors behind this sudden explosion. The moment the lawsuit ended, XRP's price reacted in a way no one could have predicted. Almost instantly, XRP shot up, breaking past previous resistance levels and skyrocketing to an unbelievable $9,987 overnight. But how did this happen so fast? The first and most obvious reason is the removal of legal uncertainty. For years, investors and institutions held back from fully embracing XRP due to the ongoing SEC case. With the lawsuit finally settled, confidence flooded back into the market and demand for XRP surged like never before. Another major factor was institutional buying. Large financial players who had been watching XRP from the sidelines saw this as the perfect opportunity to enter. Whales and institutions moved quickly, buying up massive amounts of XRP, driving the price higher with each transaction. At the same time, the sudden price increase triggered a wave of retail FOMO, fear of missing out. As news spread that XRP was finally free from legal trouble, everyday investors rushed in, trying to secure their positions before prices climbed even further. Adding fuel to the fire, major exchanges that had previously delisted XRP during the lawsuit's peak suddenly reinstate trading. This opened the floodgates for millions of traders who had been unable to buy XRP for years. The increased liquidity, combined with institutional demand, created a perfect storm that sent XRP into an explosive rally. But the real question now is, can XRP sustain this price, or is this just the beginning of an even bigger breakout? Let's take a look at what experts are saying and what could happen next. With XRP's price surging to $9,987, the big question on everyone's mind is, will it hold? Or is this just the beginning of something even bigger? Some experts believe this isn't just a short-term spike, but rather the start of a long-term bull run for XRP. The lawsuit was the biggest barrier holding XRP back, and now that it's gone, major financial institutions, hedge funds, and retail investors are finally free to accumulate without fear of regulatory backlash. This could mean sustained demand and higher price levels in the months to come. But there's another key factor at play. Ripple's expansion plans. With legal clarity in the US, Ripple can now push forward with its global partnerships and expand its presence in cross-border payments, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and real-world asset tokenization. Banks and financial institutions that were previously hesitant due to regulatory uncertainty may now fully integrate XRP into their payment systems. If this happens, we could see XRP's daily transaction volume explode, further driving up demand and potentially solidifying its price above previous all-time highs. However, there are still challenges ahead. Some analysts warned that after such a massive surge, there could be a short-term correction as early buyers take profits. Market volatility is common after major events like this, and while XRP's long-term outlook is stronger than ever, short-term dips are always possible. But with more institutional adoption, regulatory clarity and increased utility, many believe XRP is now entering a new phase, one where its price isn't just driven by speculation, but by real-world use and demand. The next few weeks will be crucial in determining whether XRP can sustain its gains or if another major breakout is on the horizon. But one thing is certain, XRP's future has never looked more promising. The impact of this lawsuit settlement goes far beyond just XRP. It could reshape the entire cryptocurrency industry. For years, regulatory uncertainty has held back digital assets, with the SEC targeting various crypto projects without clear guidelines. But now that Ripple has won this battle, the outcome sets a major precedent. If XRP is not considered a security, what does this mean for other cryptocurrencies that have faced similar scrutiny? This ruling could force regulators to rethink their approach, potentially leading to clearer guidelines for the entire industry. With regulatory fears easing, institutional investors who were hesitant to enter the crypto space may finally feel confident enough to jump in. Big banks, payment providers, and investment firms that have been waiting for legal clarity might now accelerate their adoption of blockchain technology. This could trigger a domino effect where not just XRP but the entire crypto market sees a wave of fresh investments. Bitcoin, Ethereum and other altcoins could benefit from this new era of legal transparency, pushing the market into a long-term bullish cycle. Additionally, Ripple's victory could also influence international regulations. Countries around the world have been watching this lawsuit closely, and now that the case is settled, they may use it as a reference for shaping their own crypto laws. This could lead to more widespread acceptance of digital assets in traditional finance, making cryptocurrencies more mainstream than ever before. But perhaps the most significant impact is the confidence this brings to XRP holders. For years, uncertainty kept many investors on the sidelines. Now, with the lawsuit behind them, XRP holders can finally look forward to a future without the constant fear of legal action. This shift in sentiment alone could fuel even more adoption, as confidence is one of the biggest drivers of long-term growth in any financial market. The SEC's case against Ripple may have ended, but the story of XRP